Hi, my name is Renee Harold. I want to introduce myself as your instructor for dental radiology. I also teach office procedures and clinic and pre-clinic here at College of San Mateo in the dental assisting program. I've been here for 24 years teaching. I also teach at two other dental assisting programs, Foothill and College of Alameda. San Mateo is my favorite, of course, because it's my alma mater. I was a graduate of this program many years ago. In my free time, what do I do in my free time? Well, I love to garden. I have a new puppy that's 2 years old that I just adopted, so I spend a lot of time with Toby, my dog. I have two children that are grown. They're 30 and 27, so I like to see them and do little things with them when I can. And that's about it. So I really look forward to teaching you this semester. See you soon. Bye.